Hello and welcome. In this video, we will build a CRUD application in Perl using SQLite. So here I have written CRUD app.pl, and in this one script, I'll show you the complete CRUD application. CRUD means create, update, and then we have retrieve and delete. That's the full form of CRUD. So if you see, we have first make database connection, and this is a new database curdapp.do.db. Then first we are creating user table with ID, name and email ID, and then we'll give menu here. And in this menu it will ask us to choose whether it is a user, create user, read user, update, delete and exit. And after that, another one is we have create user sub menu, subroutine, then read user, update user and delete user. So now we have written here while loop, so it will start from here while loop, and from this while loop we are saying first choice, which is menu, and it will call the first subroutine menu and it will give us these choices. We have to choose one out of all these five, and that data will be stored in choice. And then we are using if else condition. If choice is 1, then create user, if 2, then read user, and so on. So let's run it and we'll see how it is working. So we have to just write Perl and we'll say CRUD app. Now you can see it's saying first thing is database CRUD app.db is created. Here asking create user, read, update and delete. So we'll do first option, create user. It will ask us name, so I'll say Chandan, email, so we have to write here email, and then here it is saying user added successfully. Now we need to read, so I'll say second option, and you can see it printed the user list. Then I'll say again that we have to create one more user, so I'll do one, and here I'll create another user, let's say Ram, and then test@gmail.com. So now another user is added successfully. Let's read it again. So if you see, we have now two options, it is printing. Similarly, if you want to update, so let's say I'll press third, and then here it will say enter user ID. So I'll say I wanted to update user ID 2, and then I wanted to give a new name, so I'll say instead of Ram I'll say Mohan. Then email ID, if you want to update, we can say test@gmail. So now user is updated, we wanted to see, so we can press 2 option, read user, and then you can see the database is updated. Similarly, if you want to delete, we can just press 4, and then here I'll say enter user ID, so user ID 2, and then user is deleted. If you want to check, press option 2, you will see output here 1. And then once you press option 4, that means exit, it will terminate from here. So this is how you can create one complete application with the help of Perl and the database that you wanted to use. I'll share this code, and I hope you are able to understand how these things working now. Thank you so much. See you in the next topic.